Hello guys, this is your KP sir Krishna Prakash. So we are going to continue the sessions regarding TSPSC AEE yesterday conducted exam solutions. Already hydrology and OCF are out. Now we are doing irrigation engineering. So students are asking where is KP sir in Unacademy? KP sir in Unacademy is with the profile name NVLK Prakash. And you want to check my profile, you can use KP Civil also in the Unacademy search. So you can get my profile. So now you are getting 30% off on all Unacademy subscriptions. One point I would like to say over here, students preparing for AEE, they felt that the level of AEE is easier than GATE. They prepared from small content, very less amount of preparation. But please do remember, the questions that have appeared yesterday, all questions are equal to GATE level. In-depth conceptual knowledge without leaving a single topic, that only gives you the best marks and a top rank in AEE examination. So the students who preparing for GATE and ESC got benefited by that yesterday's question paper. The students only preparing for AEE, they got disappointed. So that one full-length preparation, not in terms of examination, in terms of subject point of view, that will be provided here in Unacademy. Why repeatedly I am saying? Because again polytechnic lecturers exam will come for TSPSC. So that polytechnic lecturers level not taught in AEE level, AE level. That is a tougher exam than AEE, which is equal to GATE and ESC level. So take GATE and ESC civil subscription for 6 months, join the course and you can crack your polytechnic lecturers exam. For this you can use our universal code KP civil and come under my personal guidance. I will take care about your preparation. Now coming for irrigation, there are 8 questions from irrigation which covers all the different topics like initially duty delta base period, then field capacity question, and also pump capacity question from the first initial chapters. Design of canals, 2 questions are there from Lacey's model. Cross drainage works, theory question is there. So each and every concept related to the irrigation is covered in this 2023 AEE paper. A tube well comments 20 hectares of land area, 20 hectares. When well is discharging at a constant rate, water level in the well drops to 120.2. The level of highest land 129. What is head? 129 minus 120.2. 8.8 meter head. The duty of raise, it is not raise, it is rice. Duty of rice 800 hectare per cubic. So duty known and area known, you can get discharge. Discharge you can know it now. Please understand. You know the duty and you know the area, you can get the discharge. Discharge is equal to, how you can get? Discharge is equal to area by duty. Area in 20 hectare, duty 800 hectare per cubic. So that you can get in the cubics. 20 by 80, 800, 0.025 meter cube per second. Pump efficiency 60%. What is input power efficiency? Input power efficiency P, rho QGH, density of water 1000, discharge 0.025, G you take 10, you can round it off to 10, no problem. H 8.8, but efficiency mentioned 60%. Divided by 0.6 as all options given in kilowatts. converting watts to kilowatts divided by 1000. You can cancel this. So after solving, you get the answer around 3.66 kilowatts, which is near to 3.5. Chalo guys, power. So rho QGH upon efficiency. Depth of scour according to Lacey's formula in a river represents. Very important, this is a definition somebody told. It is a definition, no doubt. Depth of scour is the maximum depth of scour deposited in the channel. After erosion, this is a channel. Consider there is a channel bed. Channel bed getting eroded. So that channel bed getting eroded, maximum depth of scour. How much is getting eroded? That scour depth. That maximum depth of scour in the channel. And that river represents depth below the maximum depth of scour. Where it is happening? Where it is happening? Below the bed level of river, below the maximum flood level in the river, below the maximum depth of scoring channel. So the depth of scour according to Lacey's formula in a river represents, they have mentioned depth below the depth below the. While designing, we can consider, if you are assuming it as a design, depth below the maximum flood level in river, depth below the maximum flood level in the river. If you are considering a normal statement, maximum depth of scoring channel. Scour depth is a maximum, simply scour depth. Scour depth. So what is a simple scour depth? Scour depth is a maximum scour depth. That is only we are considering maximum depth of scour in channel. Ho jayega. But depth below the, that is happening below the bed level. This is bed level of channel. With respect to location, there is a bed level of channel. With respect to design, maximum flood level in the river. So the meaning when they are talking about depth below the, and you consider as a design consideration. So we expect the answer should be maximum flood level in the river. If it is MSQ, you can go with 3. 1, 2, 4. If it is MCQ, you can choose design maximum flood level in the river. I hope so. There is no clarity by anyone. Simply by statement, you can go with maximum depth of scour in the channel without considering depth below. Without considering depth below, maximum depth of the channel. If you consider depth below for the previous one, it will become MSQ. A siphon aqueduct is provided when. So this is the picture we discussed in the course, full length course. Siphon aqueduct is required. Canal bed, siphon aqueduct is represented when canal bed lies between bed level and HFL of the drain. See, this is HFL. This is canal bed. It is lies between bed level and HFL of the drain. So you can go with option 1. From the diagram, canal bed lies between bed level. What is bed level? This is bed level. And HFL of the drain. This is HFL of the drain. So it is lies between canal bed level and HFL of the drain. So that option 1. Duty 1500 hectare. D 1500 hectare per cubic. Base period 150 days. Delta. Delta is equal to 864 B by D. delta is equal to 864b by d delta in centimeter. 864 into 150 upon 1500. 86.4 centimeter. This is our shortcut formula now, 864b by d, when you are taking delta in centimeter. A silt factor F is used by Lacey's in his resin theory, adjusted to be equal to 1. F silt factor is 1. What is medium size of alluvium soil? Medium size of alluvial soil, what is D50? So silt factor formula, F is equal to 1.76 under the root D50, and it is taken as mm. So F is equal to 1.76 root D50. So what is D50? D50 under the root is 1 by 1.76. You can take D50 is equal to 1 by 1.76 whole square. D50 is equal to 1 by 1.76 whole square. It will come around 0.32 mm. Option 1. Option 1. Chalo. Circular dug well, fine sand region has a yield of. Circular dug well, fine sand region has a yield of 15 liter per second. 15 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter cube per second. Depression head of 4 meter. Specific capacity per unit area C 0.8 per hour. Dia of dug well. So you can take Q is equal to CAH. Q is equal to C into pi by 4 D square into H. So now 15 into 10 raised to minus 3, C 0.8 per hour. We need this per second, 0.8 by 3600 pi by 4 D square into H 4 meter. Into H 4 meter. 4 cut. Now you can get 15 into 10 raised to minus 3 by 0.8 into pi into 3600 is equal to D square. So after solving you get D is equal to 1.7 meter. After solving you can get D is equal to 1.7 meter. Field capacity of a certain soil is 20% FC. Specific gravity 1.6. Before applying irrigation water, wet sample of soil was taken and its mass 150 grams. After oven drying 136. So you can get moisture content 150 minus 136 upon 136 into 100. Please tell me what is the moisture content you are getting. 10.29%. So now depth of water applied dW, S into D depth of root zone into FC minus existing moisture content EMC. 1.6 into, so we need answer in millimeter. 0.9 meter 900 mm, FC 0.2. Take this 0.10, 0.1. So what is depth of water? After solving you are getting around 141.12 mm. Take it 140. In a lazy regime channel, discharge is 100 meter cube per second. Q 100 meter cube per second. Silt factor 1:1. Longitudinal slope. S is equal to F to the power 5 by 3, 3340 Q power 1 by 6. So 1 power 5 by 3, 3340, 100 to the power 1 by 6. So it is a difficult task now. 1 power 5 by 3 is 1. 3340, 100 to the power 1 by 6. So if I take near to the 2 to the power 6, 2 into 2, 2 into 2, 2 into 2, 2 power 6. Around 64 it will come. So if you take 3 values, 3 into 3, 3 into 3, now itself you are getting 81. Into 3 it goes. So 3 power 5 itself a very high value. So I am taking a value which should be between 2 to 3. I am taking it as a 2 power 6. Both will cut. So just double it, which is a nearby value, you can take it. Means greater than 6,600. Greater than 6,600 is only one option. So use code KP Civil to get 30% off on Unacademy subscription. I repeat, the pattern of questions when you observe the recent TSPSC AEE, very clear. They are giving very high level. They need best students. Not who studied PYQs, not who studied just theoretical concepts, who understand the concepts very well and solve so many numerical questions. That gives you the conceptual best knowledge only by studying in-depth concepts of GATE and DSC Civil. Okay guys, let's crack it. Use our code KP Civil.